Hi guys, good evening. So today we saw a very big move on the Nifty on the basis of short covering, and we'll see for tomorrow what's in store for the expiry. Why I said short covering, you can see the call unwinding on 8900, 9000, huge unwinding in 9100 also. So whenever such huge unwinding happens on the call side, it will be we have a good rally and it is called unwinding only. If the same thing happening on puts, we will see a big fall. So as you can see here, the resistance, the first resistance, big resistance, major resistance I can say is 9300. However, we have closed at 9200, 9187. So here we can see 9200 is a good level where market will see a more resistance. If there is an addition on the open interest on 9200, we will not see a further up move. If this OI reduced during the day, then we'll see a good rally also. So closing above, anything above 9300 can also lead to 9400 and 9500. So these are all market is supreme, so anything is possible. So that is why I've shared the levels of 9400 and 9500, but my expected target would be 9300 maximum on the upside. However, on the support side, we will see 9000 is a very very good support, where 9,32,000, that is 50% of the positions have been added at 9k. And here in 9100 we have 6,55,000, almost 60-70% positions have been added in 9100 puts. So strong writing has been done in 9100. So one of the observation which I have right now is, if Nifty goes below 9100 and sustain during the day, say for example Nifty can fall tomorrow. If Nifty will fall tomorrow and goes below 9100, these people will unwind their positions. So if these people will unwind their positions, we'll see a further downside move. So the range which we are looking for right now is 9000 to 9300. So as we see, I think we are at good multiple resistance right now, because many times we have a weak highs at 9200 and 9300, or even 9300 above also. So we are at the area of the resistance which we are unable to cross since many days. Now if we see the monthly chain, so we'll see what has happened in monthly right now. So looking at the monthly chain right now, resistance coming at resistance which is coming at 9500. In between we have 9200, 9300. So 9200, 9300 remains to be seen whether how this will be broken with volumes or not, or whether Nifty convincingly breaking these levels. Interesting part here you can see is this 14 lakh 92,000 shares are still there at 9,000. So I can still expect that 9,000 can come before next week expiry. Only 1,70,000 has been unwinded. Still a huge position has been there at 9,000. So fall can come based on this. If not, then we'll see a huge, big rally. If these people will go for the unwinding, go and unwind their positions, the rally will be big. But if not, for sure, 9,000 is on the cards. We'll see the support side. So the supports are at again 9,000. So ultimately, 9,000 remains a key for next week also. However, on the support side, we are at good support at 9,200, and again 9100 is also a good support. So I can see that again below 9,000 we have a good support at 8,800. So the range which is coming right now is 8,800 to 9,500 for next week. But looking at this data, I can say that we can see Nifty at 9,000 again. If not, then 9500 is coming for sure. We will break these levels. And if 9500 gets broken convincingly, even 9700, 9800 can come. So no predictions here. We'll go step by step. We'll go day by day. But remember to observe this change in the OI and the cumulative OI on the strike, on the nearby strikes, to understand what the writers are doing at what levels. We'll see for the bank nifty right now. So the bank nifty, we have a good resistance for tomorrow is at 20,000. We closed at 19,700. So 20,000 again resistance. After that, I can see 20,500. So crossing about 20,000 can give you 20,500 on the upside. Maximum will be 21K. Now, interesting point again is here 19,500. We have people have shorted at these levels also. So if these people remains to be shorted and if these positions are not unwinded, and if we are sustaining above these levels, then, and if these people go for the unwinding, good rally on the cards. But if not, then these, and if there are additions during the day at this strike also, again 19,500 is on cards, and then we'll see 19,000, then we will see how it goes. But look at the supports right now. We have a support at 19,500. So 19,500 remains to be seen how these people are behaving tomorrow. This 2,46,000 and 2,37,000, almost the PCR is one for this. So any writing on the either side will give a directional move. Again, the support, big support at 19,000. So I think I'm getting a range of 19,000 to 21,000, 2,000 point range. We are almost in between that, but still 19,500 to be broken convincingly on both the sides. Why? Because of these positions, I'm little bit skeptical that though we have closed at 19,700, we can fall back till 19,500. And then if we fall back to 19,500, then we need to see how these writers are behaving at these levels. Guys, understand this is expiry. This is one of the most crucial days, and this is one of the best trading days you can have during the week. So observe it, and you can share your feedback in the comments. Thank you. Thanks for the sharing. Thanks for the watching the video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.